Hey guys, it's Decay here, and welcome to State of Decay again. Now we're back, and we're fully energized, and with a well night's sleep rest. And we're gonna play a game called State of Decay today. Now, again, since I'm stupid, I can't set my timer or start Audacity recording correctly in sync with the Hapog video capture. Of course, I can't because I'm silly. So, we're gonna try our best, and I think be 4 or 5 seconds behind, which is not too bad as Monday's video, but it's fine. Okay, well, I'm here instead of being out in the... Alright. So, we're here. A mission, escape. Move out of the way. You're looking pretty well for a guy who got bit by a zombie. Alright, let's hop over that. Alright, so, at the end of the last video, what's his name died? Thomas. He's dead. Oh yeah, and I have a machete.
So, where are we going?
I don't know.
Oh, shoot.
I guess we
Okay.
just head to town
Hold
and try
on.
to find
Hold on.
somebody.
Yeah.
Or...
Well, I kind of took that guy's walkie-talkie. Maybe
Oh,
we
shoot.
can raise somebody on that.
Jesus, Ed, why did you do that?
I don't know. I figured if he had a radio, there must be somebody on the other end.
So you robbed a dead guy, and you expect his
Yeah.
Wait, who says they're his friends? I mean, maybe they didn't even really like the guy.
Dad?
Oh, don't do that. No. Okay, the controller doesn't even want to be charged. It said, you know what? CJ's gonna try to record. Screw it. It's me.
Shit.
Hello? Can you hear me?
Hello? Can you hear me?
Who is this?
Who is this?
Listen.
Listen, we're stuck up here on Mount Tanner. My friend needs medical attention. Can you help us?
Can you make it
I
down
don't
to
think-
Spencer's Mill? Some of us are holed up at the church.
Ooh!
If your friend doesn't look too dicey, we'll let you in.
Church is Spencer's Mill.
es
We're on our
próximo.
way. We'll, try not to.
Alright,
let
let's
them
do
dice
it. Got a town Lester Brown. Right then. So, we need to get down to Spencer's Mill. Alright, here we go. We're gonna make this jump. Wah! Oh, we almost made it. Oh, shoot. That's not good. That's not good.
Whoa, listen, asshole.
Run away, run away.
We don't want
Oh,
any
shoot, 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 shoot. Okay. Run. Throw the flare. Run!
I don't know. It looks like we can climb up over here, maybe.
Okay. This is not good. This is not good, guys. This is not good. Oh, and the car's gonna blow up, so that'll attract them there. Oh,
A little
man.
busy for that, don't you think?
Alright. That was pretty scary, straight away.
We're headed your way. You said you were holed up in a church? What the hell's happening around here?
No, I haven't heard.
You haven't heard?
No cell reception at the lake. Guess you could say we've been out of the loop.
No, there's a bunch of crazy people who tried to eat us.
It started, what, 12, 13 days ago? At first, it was just weird stories on the news. Random maulings, violent incidents at hospitals, black helicopters in the sky.
What's happening here?
Strange stuff. I guess they were trying to keep it quiet, but that
Alright.
didn't last too long. People figured it out pretty
Oh.
quick. People who die, they don't stay dead. They come back as one of those things. Seems like the only way to stop them for good is with a shot to the head. Anything else, they just
No,
keep
that's
coming.
stereotypical zombies.
You're saying these things are zombies?
I don't know. Maybe it's some kind of messed up supervirus. Maybe it's radiation from outer space, or black magic, or the wrath of almighty frickin' God.
Alright, well, I apparently cannot drive.
Your guess is as good as mine.
So, wait a minute. What's the government response to all this? Haven't they sent in the National Guard or something?
The government? You don't get it. It's been total
Ed.
chaos.
Ed?
First, they told us just to stay home, lock our doors,
Go!
and be all
This is really
clear.
scary.
Then the power died. No one ever sounded the all clear.
That's normally what happens. Nobody ever sounds the all clear. Ooh, okay. Nobody ever sounds the all clear. This car's really bad. Let's hop into this one. Right then. Yeah, nobody ever sounds the all clear during the zombie apocalypse. Alright. Let's hop in this sedan, and we'll get going. Go to the church. Alright. Ooh, you know? You know what I found out? This car is actually really good. This car. Ooh, there's zombies. Run away. It's not very good handling, but it's 10 times faster than the car we were just in. Can't beatbox. Can't do it. Ooh. Alright, here we go. Here comes Peter's Kilo Tail. Ooh! Hopping down the bunny trail.
So, how'd
We
you
found
end
it.
up on this frequency?
Just lucky, I guess. It was pretty chaotic up at the lake.
You're not gonna tell her?
I don't know yet.
Dude, it's her dad.
You want to confess that we killed her father and stole his radio before
Yeah.
they patch you up?
Yeah, okay.
Oh, you don't say it! God, he's so stupid.
Lily,
Yes, I
did
did.
you invite these strangers?
Good, you made it.
That one doesn't look so good.
Name's Ed. Pleased to meet you.
Come with me, son. We'll see to those.
God damn it! We got enough trouble without bringing in another freeloader to use up all our medicine.
Real nice, Alan. I offered them shelter. I'm letting them in. Us freeloaders have to stick together.
Girl's got the common sense God gave a tree stump. You're worse than your brother.
Come on.
Nickel tour, can I have a nickel for you giving me a tour? I'll just follow you around like this. Ooh, that booty be fine, girl. Oh, it's smelly dough. Ew. Ewy, ewy.
I spend most of my time here, using the
Okay.
radio to coordinate everyone.
Can I have a gun? No guns? Okay, be like that. I like to jump around, don't worry. Ooh, painkillers.
Next up's the kitchen. Sam's our unofficial in-house chef, but, well, there's only so much anybody can do.
Yeah,
with
not
canned
even
soup and
Emerald
pork
can make
rinds.
stuff out of that.
Seriously, though, rule number 1, all the food stays in
Yeah.
here and it stays sealed. You wouldn't believe how fast rats get into things otherwise.
Well,
We
you
learned
guys are
that one
stupid.
the hard way. Sleeping quarters? Hope you don't mind sharing. We're pretty tight on space here. Alan's been saying we should move to someplace bigger, but my dad's a carpenter, and he says we could build like a dorm room or something to get more space.
How many people do you have here?
I think you've met just about everybody, except maybe my brother and my dad. They're out scouting for supplies, I think.
So
haven't
wait,
heard from them
was
in
the
a
guy
while.
on the bed in the beginning, in the first episode?
Somebody took a weed
Whoa, we don't need to cuss. Alright,
We may have something
so...
about this fever.
So,
Could be a sign
the
of
guy who was on the bed
We'll need to get Dr. Hansen.
in the first episode,
I'll see if I can
was
get
he
him on
the
radio.
brother? Like, I never understood that, because...
Appreciate the hospitality.
Well, we might see.
Do not forget to enter
Wait, because...
Buy some
Dumbhead. Alright. Okay.
Look, I didn't want to say this in front of your friend, but fever is a bad sign. especially after a bite. Pastor Will's going to try and get Doc Hansen
Not
to
Doc
come down
Hansen.
and take a look at him, but if he doesn't get some antibiotics, he's probably not going to make it. If it comes to that, I promise Alan will take care of him. Bullet to the brain before he turns.
That's not even fair.
It's for the best.
Lily, he's not a rabid
Jesus,
dog.
Lily, he's not a
Come
rabid
on,
dog.
Lily. No,
Don't you get it? More of us didn't make it than did. We can't be
not
soft-hearted about
anymore.
this. Not anymore. We need medicine here anyway.
God.
You can't be sick. You understand? No one can be sick.
So
Nice
that's
to
it,
meet
huh?
you. Would you be forwarded
Nice
to get
meet
shot
you.
in the
Would
face
you
or
prefer
kicked
to
on
be
your
shot in the
asses?
face or kicked out on your asses?
Look.
Okay, look. We're barely hanging on here as it is. Medicine was some of the first stuff to run out. We
Well,
don't have
according
any to spare
to
for your friend.
my home
I'm
status,
sorry.
we have
That's
9
the way it
medical.
is.
What if I find some more? Will that help pay our rent?
Yeah, okay, sure. If you can find a place to get your medicine, your friend has a place to stay.
His name is Ed.
I know. If you need to resupply before
Call
you
me
head out,
Bruce
check
Lee.
the locker.
Nobody minds if you're getting shit
I'm gonna
done
take that.
and you need extra stuff. Just don't take shit you haven't earned.
I'll put that away.
I'm confused.
Oh, yeah. Alright. Right.
I owe you one.
Sorry.
Bring Alan in.
Alright. Let's... Well, I know where a gun shop is. That's the one thing I know.
How did you all end up at the church anyways?
Geez, I don't know. At first it just seemed like the place to go, you know? End of the world and all that. Then we started hearing about how bad it was getting. Other people tried to go it alone and ended up... Well, we just sort of stayed here after that.
Just the 6 of you.
No,
Oh no.
there used to be 12 of us.
There used to be 12 of us, she says. Alrighty. Oh, can't jump over that, because that's how things work. Oh, an M1 grenade. I will take that. Is that the only thing behind the counter? Well, that's stupid. Alright, let's go check upstairs for some ammo and maybe a better gun than an M1 Grand. Even though an M1 Grand is like the best gun in the world. No. A nail puller. Let's equip it. Nail pullers are life.
All quiet here.
Ooh, ammo resource, a shit gun, and some 7.62 rounds. Tick tick.
Can't do that right now.
Alright, let's snag.
Sit tight. I'm bringing this stuff home.
Ooh,
be
you
ready.
guys don't look too nice. Alright, do I have the gun. It has 8 rounds in a clip and 10 I have extra. Oh, you can put a suppressor on this thing? Yes. Shabam? Bam! Get smacked. Right. So, we will come back for more ammunition, but right now, we need to go over to the swine and bovine. Right here. Okay, be like that. Alrighty. Go over to the swine and bovine, climb the cell
think I can get a
tower,
decent view
and
from
get a lay of the land. Because apparently that's the name of the mission. Ooh, don't touch me. Don't touch me, I'll touch you. I will touch you. Ooh. Ooh, that was close. That was close. Right. God, people keep blowing up my phone and everything. God, I know I'm Infinite Kilo 9 and I'm pretty legit,
Damn, I'm
but
tired.
You don't need to be getting all over my beeswax when I'm trying to record. Come on, people. The program.
I'm there. Gonna take a look around. Mm-hmm. Hey, what's that? Looks like a vet's office or something.
Oh yeah, Dr. Gilmore's
All right.
clinic. What about it?
Well, antibiotics for dogs aren't any different than antibiotics for people, and it looks like no one's broken in.
That's a good idea. Okay, sounds like it's worth checking out. I'm picking something up.
You folks
Nope.
got any room at the inn?
You might want to go check it out. I'm sending.
I don't want to
Ellen
go
and
meet them
Sam
at the
to something.
clinic.
Alan? Gee, thanks.
It was that, or let him stay here and keep grumbling about kicking you and Ed out.
Point.
Hey, why not Maya?
Gotcha.
That's some
Hey, I think that place is
Sexist.
inhabited.
against males. Come on now.
Guess
I guess
that's all there is
I
to
guess so. Is that? Oh, wait. Did I get? Yeah, I got that. Spawnable fine. All right, good. We're good. Let's go. Bam. Okay. Another thing I know is where a really good car is. Oh, don't touch me! Get smacked in the face. Alright, so I know where a really good car is. So, let's go get it. Because I kind of really like that car. As well as the pickup trucks and,
I need a breather.
the pickup truck and
Do me a favor and don't come driving up like a dumbass.
What Alan's trying to say is cars make noise. Zeds like noise. Plus, they don't exactly go on trees, and we only got so much fuel to keep them running.
A little busy for that, don't you think?
not this one, but I like this one too.
So, anyways,
Plus, they don't
But,
exactly go on trees, and we only got so much
Oh.
fuel to keep them running. So we gotta be careful about when we use them.
But yeah, whatchamacallit, the pickups, these, and the high-end exotics, as they're called, but those are my, like, top 3 cars.
I'm almost home.
I hope you brought me something pretty.
So
I'll
yeah,
show you when
we
I get
did
there.
pretty much nothing but drive and talk this whole episode.
Damn, I'm tired.
It seems like the
Found
beginning
this
is
while
going to
I
be
was
a
out.
little bit slow.
Oh, you know,
So.
stuff.
Sorry about that. There's really nothing I can do gameplay-wise. But, yeah, I think once we get... Wait. What's going on here? Fear itself. Somebody needs talking to. Okay. Let's go talk to this person. Come here, Maya. Let's
How's it going?
go for a walk.
Come on. You and me are gonna go out there and kick some ass. You'll feel better.
Alright,
Whatever you
let's
say.
lead the way. We'll do that, and then we'll end the episode off. Where are we going? Over there? Alright. We're gonna drive there. Come on, Maya. Get in the car. We'll go kick some zombie booty. At least we'll get some zombie killing in, and then we'll,
So, what are we doing out here exactly?
Just taking care of some business. Figured pitching in might make it feel better.
Alright, zombie horde killed. Zombie horde alerted. Zombie horde almost killed.
Okay, now we're gonna kill some zombies the old-fashioned.
Let's go get some zombies! Oh, you are not a nice person. Ooh, get socked. Alright, here we go. Alright, woo! They call me Pro Snipes. They call me M1 Grandmaster. Ooh. Oh.
Nice work. You really kicked some ass back there.
Thank you. We should get moving. Lead on.
Let's roll.
Let's roll.
Alright. Let's bring Maya back, and then we'll call this episode here, guys.
We're all scared. None of us knows what's gonna happen next. But we gotta have each other's backs. Together we can survive this shit. On our own, we're done for.
Yeah, I guess so.
Good. That's all I wanted to say.
Woo! Alrighty. So yeah, I feel like this series isn't gonna be one where I'm gonna be talking a lot, but I like to be
Thanks.
energetic for it, for when I do talk. Well, at least in the beginning, I'm not gonna really talk, but I guess towards the middle, in the end, I'm gonna be like, oh yeah, here we go, we're gonna win. That's what we're gonna do. So yeah, this has been State of Decay, Episode 2. Just a reminder, this will be going up on Tuesday, so you'll see State of Decay Wednesday on Tuesday. That noise you just heard was me knocking my headset into the microphone, because you know, I'm really good at life. But yeah, anyway, it's been Infinite Killer 9, it's been State of Decay, it's been Marcus, it's been Maya, it's been Zambi Killin, it's been my green my green, because I can see colors, it's been my yellow hatchback, and we'll see you next time!